Hello and welcome back to 10 Facts for You today. We are stepping into the thrilling world of football as we explore one of the most successful and influential clubs in the sport, Real Madrid. Let's kick things off. Real Madrid Club de Football, based in Madrid, Spain, was founded on March 6, 1902. Since then, it has established itself as a cornerstone of both Spanish and global football. The club plays its home games at the iconic Santiago Bernabéu Stadium, which has a seating capacity of over 81,000 spectators. Real Madrid has a storied rivalry with FC Barcelona, and their matches, known as El Clásico, are some of the most watched sports events worldwide. The team's record in the UEFA Champions League, Europe's most prestigious club competition, is unparalleled. As of now, they've won the title an impressive number of times. Real Madrid's players, known as Los Blancos, don a white kit, a tradition that has been kept since the club's inception. Some of football's greatest players have represented Real Madrid, including Ferenc Puskás, Zinedine Zidane, Cristiano Ronaldo, and more recently, players like Karim Benzema and Luka Modric. The club has also seen a lineage of top-tier coaches, such as Vicente del Bosque, José Mourinho, and Zinedine Zidane, each leaving their unique imprint on the team's style and successes. One of the club's defining moments came in 2000, when then-President Florentino Pérez initiated the Galácticos policy, involving the signing of world-class football stars each year. This strategy brought names like Luis Figo, Zinedine Zidane, Ronaldo, and David Beckham to the club. Real Madrid also has a notable academy system known as La Fábrica. It has produced many successful players who have gone on to have great careers, such as Raúl González, Iker Casillas, and Dani Carvajal. Lastly, Real Madrid isn't just about football. The club also has professional basketball and handball teams, demonstrating its commitment to multiple sporting disciplines. That's the final whistle on our journey through Real Madrid's history and legacy. If you've enjoyed these insights, remember to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, 10 Facts for You, for more enlightening content. Stay curious and stay tuned.